Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Clovia Lima Putri Ferdiansa and I'm here to explain about my blog, The History of Dragon Boat Race in Tanjung Pinang. So, all we know is Tanjung Pinang is a capital city of the Riau Island, but Tanjung Pinang is also has an important role in the historical development of the seaside regions of Sumatra, particularly in the context of Malay culture and maritime trade. And Tanjung Pinang has several historical aspects related to maritime culture. One of the most popular histories in Tanjung Pinang is Dragon Boat Race. So, Dragon Boat Race is a water sport. It's also an international scale event that held every year around the Tanjung Pinang harbor. This event, Dragon Boat Race event, is adopted from Chinese culture, which is to symbolize the strength, spirit of the dragon god to safeguarding the safety of the sea. This event has been held for 300 years, and Chu Yuan said that the origin of this event began with Minister Ke Yuan, who was known as a minister who is not involved in mass corruption in the kingdom. Because of Ke Yuan's action that who didn't involve as a corruption, the king was upset about his action. Then the king Then the king is punished Minister Ke Yuan by making Minister Ke Yuan jump into the Mila River. Then the people heard about Ke Yuan death, and they all agreed to search the Minister Ke Yuan in the river using boats, drums, and zongzi. Zongzi is a food. So while searching, they beat the drums and throw Zongzi in the river where is the Minister Ke Yuan jumped. So they threw Zongzi. But first of all, Zongzi is like a rice, or we could say rice ball, and the rice ball is thrown to the river. So they do that because they didn't want Ke Yuan body not to be eaten by a fish, and accompanied by a drum beat. It's to scare the fish and the evil spirits, so they will not even they will not eat Mr. Q Minister Ke Yuan body, and they didn't disturb Minister Ke Yuan. This act evolved into a ritual of remembrance and later became the Dragon Boat Festival celebrated annually. So, Dragon Boat is believed to stop a bad luck, and Dragon Boat race is held on 5th, 5th moon in lunar calendar, which is around the end of May or beginning of June. So Dragon Boat race have a long narrow body, and what makes Dragon Boat different from the other boat is because the Dragon Boat is made of thick wood, and the most popular characteristic from the boat is It has a dragon head that plays in front of the bow, and the dragon tail is the rear of the bow. There is a lot of type of the dragon boat, start from 8 meters and 18 and even more than 18 meters. So provide the main power by moving their pedals. So they didn't move with a machine, but they move with our stamina. And then the drummer sits in front and sets the rhythm, helping the team maintain speed and coordination. The steerer stands at the back, controlling the direction of the boat. Success in a dragon boat race depends heavily on teamwork. So, as even one person being out of sync can slow the entire boat. So, we have to focus and working together with the team. So, stamina and endurance are crucial, particularly over longer distance. Peddler needs to maintain mental focus, like I said, on the drummer beats and maintain self-control under duress. Dragon boat racing is an intense physical and mental workout because of these difficulties. So overall, Dragon boat race is a unique blend of tradition, sport, and community spirit. It honors ancient history while adapting to modern athletic culture. Whether celebrated as a festival event or a comparative sport, Dragon boat racing continues to inspire people with its values of teamwork, discipline, and culture pride. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.